Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Good morning! It's Vlogmas Day 2 and we are going to have a coffee, and after that we are going to take you to the most Christmassy places in London.
But this is my favorite holiday.
I don't like these ones. I'm sure they have better options.
Go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas.
So, we wanted to ride some cards for our family. As I've told you in the previous vlog, we are not going home for Christmas this year. Yeah, at least this is all we can do now. I think it's a nice gesture, don't you think?
Of course, it's a good
I'm
idea.
going to change my clothes because, to be honest, I'm a bit cold. You're gonna change yours as well. And we are going to the most Christmassy spots in London. You will be impressed.
I'm impatient already.
I've been wrapping presents for you.
We are heading to the central area of London and we are going to take the underground. It's been a while since our last travel with underground, but I quite miss it. Oh, hello.
Hi, I'm Mihai and I'm live from underground.
Yeah. Welcome to our second vlogmas.
Nothing could stop her to drag me out from our little nest.
Yeah. The first stop of today's guide will be Somerset House. Let's go. Somerset House. Look how big this Christmas tree is. We are for the first time at the Somerset House. We've never got the chance to come over to check it out. I would like to skate a bit. What do you think?
You can skate and I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna keep an eye.
I have to announce you that this is gonna be the season when you're gonna learn to skate. Even if you don't want to. You have to make me this favor. The atmosphere is really Christmas. Maybe we can try to learn you to skate at
Alexander Palace, maybe.
yeah.
I might look a bit lefty.
I want to see you happier. I will take you to other Christmassy places and maybe you will be happier than you are now. Usually we don't have the time to walk around the central area. Okay, so I want to have some pictures here at least, if you don't want to skate today. Can you do me this favor, please? Does it look really hard for you?
Nobody knows how to skate. I'm really disappointed about this sport.
Well, that's the idea. You don't have to know how to skate, you just have to do it. Because it's fun.
Fun?
Most of the people are having a lot of fun.
Although in the end it's not a bad idea. It's quite Christmassy. You might not hear this, but on the background it's an angelic music. Or maybe some carols, I don't know.
Carols, because it's Christmas.
Yeah.
Done with the pictures, so we are going at the next point. Let's go!
So the next Instagram spot.
Instagram picture, please. This is me in the pictures. Are we in Paris or are we in London?
Look at that beard.
This spot is one of my favorites in London during the Christmas time.
Very well known spot in London.
Is it the same like the last year or is it different?
Maybe they changed the name.
The name of the reindeer.
The land of the freak shows.
This is a trap. This is a trap. I don't want to stay here. Photographer on duty again. Paris Reloaded.
You have to be nice with it.
Yes. Under the Christmas tree. One of the most well-known Christmas trees in London. You know that? Mr. Grange, do you know that? I want to have this perfect spot in my vlog.
It's an Instagram.
Covent Garden. I have to find the next destination, which is one of the most Instagrammable spots on Instagram this year, I promise you. The place is called Annabelle's Club. It's a private club and it should be really exciting.
You look so happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy. They have a huge Christmas tree.
Bigger than this one.
You will tell me if it's bigger or not.
Let's check the location then.
Yeah, just 1 second. Because we have to walk like half an hour or we have to take the underground. What do you prefer?
I think the underground. Well,
Yeah. So yeah, let's
city
go to
method.
take.
Yeah.
We will take the underground from here. It's the Covent Garden underground. Let's go. It will be faster.
I want to queue here for Santa's lap. I want to get a present. I've been a good boy this year. I deserve a good present.
And another day. Today we have another plan. Sorry.
Yeah.
That place is very nice as well. Look.
I hate it, honey.
Do you remember that place?
Of course. Man, I've been blown away.
Yeah, one of the best experiences in London. We have to go again. There and in another million places I want to go.
So this is GOPRO.
Yeah.
And what is Christmas without love?
Oh. And this is another place where I've been last year with the vlog. You can enter on this vlog and you will see the whole tour of this Christmas place. We are just...
Let's cross the street.
They already turned on the lights and I'm not sure if my picture will be alright.
Oh,
I know, girls' problem.
wow. Wait to see that, guys. You'll be very impressed. Wow.
Yeah, last year my favorite decoration was at the Cartier store in London. And this year I think this one is winning.
No doubt about that.
Prize for the best decoration.
I agree with you.
And now all the Instagrammers are staying here to make a picture for Instagram, as you can see.
Oh,
It looks so cute and Christmassy. I want to take this tree with us at home. Now is the big challenge for you. You have to make me the most liked picture on Instagram for this spot. Have you ever seen something better for Christmas?
no, not until now. Not until now. Go, go, go.
I will show him how nice this place is inside and they have a bathroom. Oh my god. I just hope we will make it to an event here or something like this. Let's go to eat something because I'm getting really hungry. We will see if we will be lucky enough. Because usually in this period of time everything is fully booked.
I just want to eat. I just want to stay cozy, listen to you, speaking to you, speaking a heart.
I think
This is for me, yeah? This one is the rib.
if you will get this car for Christmas, I think you will start loving Christmas more than I do.
If I get this car for Christmas, I have two options. One, or I give it to you next.
Really?
Or I'll sell
Let me have a look. And the option two?
I'll sell it and buy another one.
Why? This one is really pretty.
The question is, do I deserve a present like that?
You can go to ask Santa if you deserve a present like that. Okay, now you are operating the train if you don't want the car. I wanted to take you. I really wanted to come here. Let's go to find something to eat because we weren't able to find anything yet. Here is fully booked, everything, of course. Cheers!
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so
Cozy indeed.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas
This looks so good.
thy leaves are so
I have no idea why we always end up to eat at Italian restaurants.
It's alright? Here comes the night.
Italians are the best.
thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
So after we've got a fabulous meal in the city, we are back home. I changed my clothes and now we are going at Alexandra Palace because we want to try to skate for the first time for him.
Finally, your wish is coming true. You convinced me. Let's go to the patinoire.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
She looks so natural.
What do you think?
I gotta catch the moves and I'm gonna stick with them. Simple ones and one at a time. So far so good.
Stop, stop, stop. No, stop. In your dreams.
These are not my dreams.
I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol song.
And that's it for today.
Despite the stress that we bring under,
She keeps talking, she keeps talking. So she forgot about the common win, which is
This one.
congrats for the winner. Hey, I did it! Another thing, check on my list.
Yeah.
I don't have a list, I'm kidding. Well, in life is best to do as many things as you can.
Hopefully he will come for the second time as well. Anyway, this is
I
the end
say
of
cheers.
our second Vlogmas with the best Christmas spots in London.
And I say happy holidays, guys, and you said
Merry Christmas.
and happy New Year. Bye.